This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current cooking sauce is now sporting a brand new look. Our cooking sauces are a versatile base sauce that is great for cooking rice, meat, seafood or vegetables. Explore our other cooking sauces in the range. The Mee Siam Goreng cooking sauce is convenient and easy to use. Mee Siam Goreng is a sweet and sour stir-fried vermicelli with a hint of chili from Chinese and Malay origins. Here are the ingredients you will need. For Hoon, here are some brands that we recommend available at your local supermarket. Let's begin by preparing the Hoon. Soak dry Hoon for 15 minutes. Drain off water and it is ready for use. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add cooking oil, Prima Taste Mee Siam Goreng cooking sauce, water and bring to boil. Step 2. Add soaked Hoon. Mix well and stir fry till the gravy is completely absorbed. Then loosen the Hoon and set aside to cool completely. Step 3. Heat cooking oil on medium heat. Add garlic and stir fry till fragrant. Then add eggs. Add Hoon and stir fry till fragrant. Add onion, kuchai, prawns and bean sprouts. Stir fry till fragrant. Add red chili. Lastly, pour water around the edge of the pan and stir fry. We recommend serving with Prima Taste sambal chili and calamansi for that extra burst of umami flavor. And there you have it! Delicious Mee Siam Goreng is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Check out our website for more cooking videos.